Hi everyone and welcome to Momda's Life Handmade. If you love to DIY, decor, home, sew everything in a budget, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and stay updated with all my videos. Today I'm participating in Spring Basket Vignette Challenge hosted by Creative Laurie. Do check out her channel and the playlist created by her for more inspirations. We started today's project by painting a few natural eggshells which we have emptied and cleaned it well. Here are two pairs of little hands and my hands making three pretty eggs in blue using blue felt pen. This is my childhood doll, a little duck. I wanted to give it a new life since a long time and I took this opportunity and I've used acrylic colors to make it pretty again. I just added colors to the eyes, the beak, the tongue, a little cap on the head and a little scarf on its neck, and I highlighted its feet. That's it, and it has become so dainty, ladylike. This is my lady duck. Look at the eyes, they are so pretty and she looks so perfect. Such a lady. Now here is the basket that I'm going to use. It has a flat surface and it can sit very well on the table, and it has got a nice blue handle. It's blue with blue scrunchy paper cuts in them. I'm going to keep them. This actually came as a gift hamper and I'm going to use this as my basket base. So I have my dainty lady duck. I've also tied a little bow here. Look at her eyes, she's looking so pretty. She's a lady. So she needs to sit with her
add some flowers. Got this lovely roses with purple gloves here to add them around. Here I have some wire ties in blue color used for tying chocolate wrappings or in the florist shops, and I've taken a bunch of greens and I'm going to give some height at this section which would balance the height of the lady duck here. So I'm just going to tie around the handle here, and the wire being blue in color will not be seen and moreover will get hidden in the leaves.
Here is my spring vignette in my little basket, and I've placed it in this corner where there are floral frames with family photographs on a tree bark, and there is a need of life here, and I think this is so pretty. Here is my blue basket with blue eggs, the little dainty lady duck with purple, bluish roses and greens. I think this has turned out so pretty. If you love this, please give it a thumbs up, please give your comments and come back more to my channel for more videos. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with another DIY. Thank you so much for watching.